All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. I guess this is the racetrack up in Clark, Free Zone. I never know where that place was, and I just realized now because I heard some roaring cars in the background. Unfortunately, my camera microphone died, so this one is kind of constructed a little differently, and hopefully the sound is okay. All right. So anyway, we decided to take off today and just go out and hang out. Janice said, "Come on, let's go. Let's go." So I said, "Sure, let's go. Where you want to go?" And she suggested to go to a little place that is north of where we live, and up there in Bamban, and we're gonna cross this bridge here. There's a little mountainous terrain up there, and we really have never looked at this, but it's already, as you can see, the scenery is absolutely beautiful, and we are gonna run up in the more little mountainous, if not mountains, at least big hills, and we do that on recommendation from some other people that have been up there. And so stay along for the ride and you'll see where we get. Anyway, to get up here, we're looking at about I think I looked it up on Google, and it said it's about a 35-40 minute ride from our home. So I estimate from here maybe 10-15 minutes or so. We came up through Clark, and I decided to turn the camera on and just show this road. I mean, it's pretty road, around here. Despite we live in the city, there is a lot of nature just a few kilometers outside the city of Angeles and Mabalacat. You spend a few minutes on your motorbike or your car, and you get out there. It's a lot of it. You have the Bamban Grotto up here. We actually made an attempt to go into one of these grottos the other day. Had a kid that was gonna guide us, and we didn't have any light, so by the time you were 20 meters into the tunnel, it was pitch dark. You couldn't see where you were walking. So next time we're gonna be a little more prepared for that one. Have some LED lights or something with us. But anyway, this is look at all the tropics. You could literally see all the greenery. It's unbelievable. All right, so let's pass this motorcycle. He is going slow. It's actually going downhill pretty good here, so you got to be a little careful. But this is how it is around here. Very mountainous. you drive. Just a few minutes outside the city. You can get up in the mountains. We have a couple of videos. We went up to the area up here. Where do you call it? Where they have the shrine from the Second World War, Tarlac, and you pass by there and you go down maybe another 8-10 kilometers. You get into like a military zone, and there is some resorts down there, and from there you can have hiking tours up to Mount Pinatubo, Lake Mount Pinatubo and stuff. We did a couple of videos up there. The hike never happened, but okay, so I believe here is where we are going to turn and get up this hill. All right, I gotta go. Come on. He's gonna whack me with those bamboos once he turns. All right, so this is a little climb up here. According to Google, you can actually Google map it, and they have street view of this all the way up to where I believe the concrete ends, and I'm assuming that's because they have this park up here, which is a public park, and that's where we're heading. The park walk will be a different video probably tomorrow, but I thought this was pretty cool right up here. And I am still not 100% sure I'm on the right track here, but I think so. I mean, there's not a whole lot of roads here breaking off right or left. So once we get up here, according to the Google map, it looks like we would have a little dirt road for the last stretch. So we'll see once we get up here. But this is how people live on the hills. Beautiful place, beautiful nature. All right, so here looks like we're coming up to that dirt road, and we should go left here, and then we'll see. I think we're, yeah, well, they're saying follow us. So we're just gonna go. They are apparently on their way, and it's a pretty nice place. I've seen some pictures from it, and that's where we're gonna head up. The road ain't the best, and I hope the sound is good. I know microphones I've kapushed, but all right, so up here it looks like we have something, so we're gonna stop here and talk to them, and I'll let you listen to a little bit of music while we finish up the conversation here with them, because I have no microphone on the camera.
Let's just roll that dice, my darling. my door. Tell me something never
Right.
heard before.
So that procedure was pretty simple. She explained to us that down there, exactly where we were, you're paying a environmental fee of a whooping 20 pesos per head. I guess that's for road usage, whatever. And then you, once you get up to the park, you actually pay the entrance up there. So I think we're gonna go left here and straight up the hill. A little bumpy road. I can't imagine this road when we have heavy rains. I'm pretty sure it'd be even hard to get up there because this is pretty steep, and it's if that clay gets wet, it should be pretty slippery. But anyway, you are traveling with us on the road, never traveled before, so bear with us while we are slowly heading up that way, and we'll show you the beauty up there, because I have seen pictures, and we are going to walk around and we'll do a little vlog up there once we get up there. And you can actually see it's getting up there. The altitude is getting higher and higher. The road doesn't allow me to shift much. If you shift into the second, third gear, it's going too fast and gets too bumpy. It's like riding a wild horse coming up this road. But I'm actually look like I'm catching up with the people that said follow us. It looks like there's all kinds of trees up here, banana trees and all kinds of stuff. It's like driving. You don't know what's around the next corner when you're driving on these kind of roads. All right, but this looks like more like if you look inside the fence here, I'm assuming this is the park. So we are reaching up to our destination. A little construction going on here. Alright, so it looked like they keep the park up pretty good, you know. Even the grass is cut, all that, so it looks good. So it looks like the main entrance here. So again, let's head in there and start asking questions. Alright, so we have arrived at our destination. We're gonna take you around. That'd be a different video, but as far as I can see, the views are awesome, looking good. A little cloudy today, but we'll go for it. God bless, and we'll see you again at the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.